Alright guys, just wanted to give you an update on the 85 Corolla GTS one owner that I bought. So I know it's not the best time to be taping anything, but here you go. So last video, I believe it was to see if the motor turned over, and it did. So my next project was the fuel tank, and I wanted to show you what I've done so far. I went ahead and cleaned up the straps that hold the fuel tank. Clean up the little fuel filler bracket, gasket, whatever you want to call it. There's the kind of a skid plate, protector plate for the fuel tank. Went ahead and cleaned that out. Couldn't get that clean, but I was just trying to get a lot of the gunk out of there. Let's see. Went ahead and cleaned this section, the gas tank filler area. It was really dirty. I have photos of the before it was cleaned. And then here is the fuel tank. So I had the fuel tank boiled, and when I got it back, it was down to metal. So I went ahead and primered it, and then painted it just semi-gloss black. And I know I didn't do a video, but I tested the fuel sender unit while it was off the car, and it worked very well. And then had the worst time with the fuel pump. Wasn't getting any power, kept fiddling with it, and yesterday, what was it, Saturday, October 19th, I think, I finally got the fuel pump to run off the wire. So I know my COR, my constant something relay under the dash, was working. So I went ahead and put it back together today, Sunday, and I went ahead and tried to figure out how these things were originally installed, and as far as I can tell, that's how they are installed on the gas tank to keep it from rattling. As we all know, Corollas are very noisy already. So these are where the straps go. So those, I believe that's where they go. But yeah. Anyways, the fuel tank is now ready to go back into the car. So yeah, and hopefully I'll be able to start putting the timing belt and coolant and everything back together. So there you go. That's the latest on the Corolla, the 86 Corolla, and hopefully the next video will be more under the engine bay. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.